Automatic belt clamp hook claw type bottle unscrambler. Discover the automatic belt clamp hook claw type bottle unscrambler, the ultimate tool for efficient bottle handling. This advanced device features a unique hook claw design that firmly grips bottles, ensuring smooth and seamless unscrambling. Its robust belt drive system guarantees reliable performance, even in high-speed production environments. Watch as it effortlessly handles bottles of all shapes and sizes. Upgrade your bottling line today with this innovative solution.
Hengyuan focus on efficient packaging machines.